is simply faith asleep. Guess what poverty is? Poverty is wealth asleep. So it's necessary to say, wake up. If you begin to tell yourself to wake up, if you begin to tell your friends to wake up, they're going to think you're going to lose your mind. You're not speaking to their conscience. You're speaking to that part of them that hears you. And that part of them that wants to come alive. That part of them that wants to rise up. Baptize your disappointments in success. Baptize your disappointments in blessings. When people say you can't do it, baptize that can't do it and I can do it. In fact, just say, I am going to do it. Don't take no for an answer. Don't be so quick to agree with other folk that's speaking that negative stuff, amen. When people tell you I can't, no, I can. I can. And I will achieve. I will arrive. Take all your little stuff and baptize it. And when you baptize it, guess what happens? You resurrect good in your life. When you baptize something in water, it's to bury it. But you resurrect something new in your life. When you step into your kingdom, when you step into your universe, and when you stand as king of your universe, amen, the God of your universe, and when you make your decree, the universe will go ahead of you. The universe, God, Spirit, goes ahead of you. Can I tell you something? Every one of us has 12 disciples. The 12 powers. When you go in your mind and you do your work, you send your apostles out. Now make it happen. When you go in your mind and you do the work, you commission your 12 apostles and go and do the work. Baptize my failure in success, man. Baptize that loan officer in blessing for me. And when he sees me coming, all he sees is love.